Now we have here a lovely skate wing, or ray wing is another name for it. We're doing this pan seared. You have the ray wing here, capers, nice stale French stick, butter, mixed herbs. I have some flat parsley, chervil and chives, lemon, butter and olive oil. Okay, there's not much prep in this dish. We want to segment this lemon, so you top and tail it. Get your knife and just follow the shape of the lemon. Now a good sharp knife, just follow down where the segments are, like that. See that? Simple as that. And carry on. Take those off. That's the lemon done. Right, I have some little bread here. I'm going to just slice. Make some nice crispy croutons. This optional. It's a nice way of using up bread. So I have them ready. I'm going to soak those in the olive oil into an oven. Simple as that. Take the herbs out. I've washed the herbs. So I have some chives, chervil, and parsley. So just nicely slice them up. Chop them like that. See my fingers? Keep your fingers back. Now that dish is ready. You can start cooking on this. I'm going to do a little croutons here with this. Some stale sliced bread, with French stick, a little bit of garlic on top, a little bit of thyme or rosemary. Very simple. A little bit of salt. Sea salt. Turn oven. Pan is here for the skate wing. Some oil. Nice and hot pan. I'm putting no seasoning on yet. I'm putting no flour on it because it's a non-stick frying pan. So on that goes. Sometimes the fish will do this, so just press it down. Just hold it down. I want the whole thing to go nice and brown. See, I just press that fish down. I want to make contact with the pan. That's lovely. This is on the bone. Ray wing actually I think should be really fresh. Okay, let's see if this is nicely going brown. Nice and golden. That's golden colour, which you want. Now I put some seasoning on it. A little salt and pepper. So we're talking about 3 minutes each side, maybe a bit less. It's quite a thin actually wing, but if you get a bigger, you can't get them quite thick. I would advise to brown it both sides and place it on a tray and finish it in the oven at about 180 for 5 minutes. That's a good trick actually if you are doing a big piece of fish. You never cook it in the pan all the way through. So what you need to do is on a tray into the oven at about 180 for 5 minutes or so. Okay, there isn't it? This fish is almost there. How I know is I'm feeding it and it's not too spongy, it's quite firm to touch. And you get to know after cooking a few times you realise that's cooked. That's perfectly cooked. So let's let that settle there for a second. And the grenoble part, butter. I'm going to melt the butter nice and slowly. This is kind of a really nice simple dish because how it works really well, so well is the lemon segments with the capers and the butter just over the fish. It just brings the whole thing together. It's quite amazing how it works. That tartness of the capers and that citric acid of the lemon. It's just beautiful. So see that? I'm just getting the butter and doing that, moving the butter around. I'm going to put the 2 capers in. My lemons in. capers and lemons going in. Some chopped parsley in there. That's ready to serve. It's a really 5-minute supper dish, yeah? Put the fish on the plate. Like an overall. Just here. Spoon that on. Look how easy and simple that is. I think that's just a beautiful dish. It really is now. Those croutons, they were only just add on. I think the croutons give a lovely crunch to the dish. Maybe we'll finish this with a bit of parsley. Now, how's that for a dish? I think it's really, really nice. It's very simple, very clean. That's a wow dish.